For this project, we implemented the SolaX ESS-AELIO system because safety was a #1 priority. In our conversations with the team at Woodbridge, the biggest concern was protecting residents. It had to be something robust, reliable, and most importantly, safe. The ESS-AELIO stood out straight away. Yes, it's an all-in-one system, standalone, with flexible operating modes and advanced AI. What really made the difference was its safety design. You're looking at a 5-layer closed-loop fire suppression system, 0 residual suppression, and a fully self-contained cabinet. It delivers a level of safety and security that a traditional wall-mounted system just cannot match. On top of that, each battery module is individually monitored with real-time data and intelligent system controls, constantly analysing the performance and safety conditions. Another big reason why we trust this system and our relationship with SolaX. SolaX have flown our team over to the headquarters and manufacturing facilities multiple times now. We've seen firsthand how these systems are built and how seriously they take safety and exactly what's coming in their upcoming technology. And importantly, having a local SolaX technician on hand is a huge benefit, both in the commercial and residential space. It means that support is always close by when it matters. That level of insight, innovation, and local support gave us full confidence in what we're installing here at Woodbridge. The installation process was actually quite straightforward. Craning in the battery was a real team effort and definitely had the locals stopping and watching. It created a fair bit of buzz on site. Once it was in position, everything came together smoothly thanks to the all-in-one self-contained design. The key advantages really come down to the safety, simplicity, and control. From a safety perspective, having a fully enclosed system with built-in fire suppression, continuous monitoring, and intelligent automation provides a level of protection that gives both us and the client real peace of mind. Commissioning was straightforward, which makes a big difference on a project like this. And from an operational point of view, the ease of monitoring is a standout. You've got real-time system data, individual battery tracking, and full visibility over the performance at all times. Plus, having local SolaX technicians available adds another layer of confidence, knowing the support is readily accessible if needed. At the end of the day, it's a solution that's safe, smart, and dependable.